Hi there, it's Corey Luckner with First Class Medical, and in today's video, we're going to go over the unboxing of the Inogen One G4 portable oxygen concentrator. First off, we're going to start off with unpacking or unboxing the Inogen One G4 portable concentrator so we can show you all the items that you'll be expecting in your package. Start off, you'll have the Inogen One G4 manual. These will come with every package. Of course, your oxygen tubing, also known as the cannula. This will allow you to then get the oxygen from the unit to you. You will have your AC and DC power supplies. Your AC going to be for the wall outlet at home. The DC, of course, for the cigarette lighter in your car. The unit will charge while in use with the AC or DC power supply. So that's a nice little feature there, so you can always be charging your unit while using it. Of course, your lithium-ion battery. This is rechargeable. You will have a custom carrying case. This custom carrying case will allow you to have the G4 in it for you to have over your shoulder with the shoulder strap. And then, of course, the Inogen One G4 portable oxygen concentrator. As you can tell, the smallest and lightest weight unit on the market today. Now that we have everything laid out, we're going to show you how to set up the Inogen One G4 for its first time use. You have the unit itself, your lithium-ion rechargeable battery on the bottom here. Very simple. Just going to slide, click, you'll hear it beep. Unit letting you know now it's recognizing there is a battery with charge. Custom carrying case here. Easy way to know which way to put this on is there is a hole right here that you're going to want your AC and DC power supply unit to be able to plug into. You will find that on one of the sides of the G4. And this is just going to slide on in. And then you'll have a button here. It's up to you. I typically go to the bottom button, but you'll have the option of top or bottom here. It just clicks in there. You'll see here you have all the functions and everything here that you can use with the actual case on. You'll be able to see here as well that the charging port is available. And then, of course, the cannula will go right into the cannula port here. Fits snugly on. One part into the unit, the other part going around your ears and into your nose. To power on the Inogen One G4, simply just hold the power button for a couple seconds. You'll see the screen lights up. You'll see the Inogen label there. It's letting you know setting 2, please wait. So that will come on the screen to let you know that it's powering on. As it's powering on, you'll see that there is a little battery logo here showing you how full the battery is. This battery then, of course, now that the unit's on, showing 8% battery life. You're seeing an alarm here, which I'm glad I'm being able to show you this, but the alarm's going off just because we have a low battery in this unit itself, just because we didn't charge it fully for the demonstration. But it's showing you here that basically the alarm now is lit up here, letting you know, check the screen, something's going on, which in this case, of course, it's saying battery low, attached plug. But going through our demonstration here, you're gonna have multiple different options. You're gonna have the alarm button here. So this alarm button is going to allow you to either one, turn on that alarm so that if, in our example here, that battery alarm goes off, if the alarm is set to be on, it's going to actually notify you, make a beep, let you know that something's going on, read the screen. If you don't want to be alerted when something's going on, click that alarm button again. You'll see here that now it puts an X through the alarm logo on the screen. Now, in the example that we have with this battery, it would not actually alert you. It would still say it on the screen, but it wouldn't make a loud beeping noise to let you know, hey, the battery is low. You'll have a plus and minus here. Plus, of course, allowing you to go up in settings. The minus allowing you to go down in settings. It's going to go down to 1, up to 3. To power the G4 off, just hold the power button for a couple seconds. You'll see here it says please wait, shutting down, and eventually you'll see the screen eventually have its light go off. The Inogen One G4 dimensions are 7.2 inches in height, 5.91 inches in length, and 2.68 inches in width. The Inogen One G4 weighs in at just 2.8 pounds, making it the lightest weight portable concentrator on the market today. Its oxygen flow settings are going to offer from a 1 to a 3. And when looking at this unit, the batteries that you have in here is the 4-cell battery. The Inogen One G4 will have 2 options. You have the 4-cell battery, which is a little smaller, just like this one itself. Take this out so you can kind of see the size. The 8-cell battery is going to be about twice the size of this and give you about twice the battery life as well. On a setting of 2 on the 4-cell, you're going to get 2.25 hours of battery life. On a setting of 2 on the 8-cell, you're going to be looking at 4.5 hours of battery life. The Inogen One G4 is amazing for those that are looking to just maybe run some errands during the day. Want something super lightweight that's very convenient and easy to carry around to go maybe to a doctor's appointment. The battery life itself, if you're looking to travel, you may need additional batteries, but when it comes to the weight, it just can't be beat right now. So if you're looking for something that's lightweight and easy to use, the Inogen One G4 is a great choice. If you'd like to see how the Inogen One G4 compares to other portable oxygen concentrators, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post these videos live. Also, make sure to join our private Facebook group where you can interact and ask questions with other oxygen users like yourself. And most importantly, if you're in the market for the Inogen One G4 or any of the portable oxygen concentrators that we carry, make sure to give us a call at the number below. Our respiratory specialists are here to assist you with any questions you may have and to guide you into the best portable concentrator for your needs. Once again, call the number below or visit our website at www.first, and first is the number 1 ST. That's www.firstclassmed.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.